Hello, 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 everyone. It is your girl, Pamela Mitchell, the 8 a.m. agent. Right now, I just wanted to check in with you guys to let you know what I am doing, what I've been up to, and what's been going on. So here I am. I am showing the property that I do have on the market right now for sale. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2.5 bath, as a matter of fact. A little bit over almost 1,300 square feet. Nice size condo, upstairs, 2-story. Just giving you a quick look at it. I'm showing it actually at this moment, so I decided to take a quick video while I had a second here. All right, that is the first floor going in. So like I said, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. So here is the first floor powder room. Just the bathroom, but as you can see, the floors nicely done. All right, let's just take a quick trip up the stairs. Now it does have fireplace and it does have air conditioning, and it has nice sized bedrooms. Okay, bedroom 2 actually. All right, you can see. All right, walk on over here. You have your full-size bathroom, fully equipped with a bathtub. Okay, and it also comes with a walk-in closet here. Plenty of space for your needs. Okay, coming on back through the hallway here. Here is your in-unit laundry. Wonderful. It does convey. So that means it comes with the property, right? You buy it, you get the washing machine and dryer, and here you go. Bedroom 1, which is also pretty big. Full-size bathroom. There you go. Okay, and also another walk-in closet. All right, you guys, what else is going on? Everything, life, all that good stuff. So keep y'all head up, and let me know if you have any buyers looking for anything in San Diego area. I am your 8 a.m. agent, San Diego. I will get with you guys later. Let me know if you have any questions about this one. It's on the market right now. Talk to you soon. Bye.